Hello and welcome to you. I hope you have been having a magnificent week. I am here to do a giveaway today. In fact, it's actually a miracle that I'm here today. I've been sick all week, coughing more than should be allowed by law. It will be a miracle if I can get through this video without coughing, so I am armed with my tea just in case. Secondly, while sick, aside from watching bad TV and reading some good books, I was on the internet quite a bit, and I went to my YouTube channel to answer some of your questions, and I realized that I had crossed over the 500,000 subscriber mark, and I was blown away. Could not believe it. It was a sensation that just warmed my heart and made me feel so good when I was not feeling good. So I decided to run out the minute I felt better and pick up a bunch of goodies for you as a way of saying thank you for pushing me past that 500,000 mark. And I have been on YouTube now since April 29th of 2014. So we got there in 4 years, and I cannot wait to see where the next 4 years takes this channel, and I owe it all to you. So as always, when I do giveaways, I try to think of things that I feature a lot in this channel, things that I have really been happy with and products that have worked, have stood the test of time. And so I ran out and I got a multitude of products for you, and I can't wait to show them. So let's start with this one. It is now April. We are heading into the summer months, and everybody wants a little bit of a sun-kissed glow without the sun, because she doesn't kiss, she burns and makes all kinds of spots and marks on us these days. So it's nice to be able to put on a mitt, spray some foam, and get yourself a rockin' tan. I have loved the Tropez line, and this is their bestseller kit. Has a little bit of everything in there. There's the mitt, there is the tanning mist and foam, there's a bronzer, there's for the face, there's for everything. So this is wonderful. It's got you covered from head to toe, and I love the fact that it's in this little bag because it's great for travel as well. Next on my list, because I recently did a video on brushes and what brushes go where, and I love making it easy for you. So I went to Sephora, and they have out their Sephora collection, and it has essentially every brush that you need: face brushes, eye brushes, and it's marked to tell you what you use for where. But it's a full kit of makeup brushes, comes in this really, really pretty pouch. So again, it's wonderful to have if you're traveling somewhere and you've got a great kit to put all of your new makeup brushes. And now that you've seen my video, you know what brush to use for what product. Okay, let's move on to hair product. I featured this one before as well when I've done all of my different hair treatments, and I'm trying to let my hair grow, as you can see. So the only way to let hair grow is for it to be healthy. Otherwise, there's no point in having hair if it's ratty and nasty and all of that. So I have this at home. It's the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, and it's essentially the third stage in the Olaplex treatment. At the salon, they've got 1 and 2, and it's what they mix in the color, especially the highlighter, the bleach, to help protect the hair. 3 is the at-home product, and essentially what you do before you take your shower, you take a generous amount of this, run it through your hair from root to tip, let it sit. The longer you let it sit, the better it is for your hair. So for instance, before I did my hair today, I had it on for about 20 minutes and let it soak. I shampooed, conditioned, and then blew it out, and it already feels a whole lot better. I also took the scissors to my hair and trimmed off a few dead ends. Only do that if you've had skill and you've done it before without ruining what your stylist did. But anyway, this really, really works, and it is now included in the giveaway. We are now moving on to makeup. And let's start with an eyelid primer. Very, very important for us ladies to make not only the eyeshadow adhere to the lid, but it gives it a very smooth palette. It will mattify the lid. What I have shown you before is not only do I apply eyelid primer to my lid, but in the brush that I use to sweep it on with, I will also run it here along my lower lash line, and it really helps in preventing eyeshadow and eyeliner from falling and smearing below. So that's been a great little tip and trick that I've been using, but it can't be done without a good eyelid primer. And this is Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and it's a fantastic product, and I just think eyelid primer is just so important for making eyeshadow look right and sit right. So that's included as well. Next up is the powder that I have always used and featured on this channel, Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder, and this one is a purse size that you can take with you. So it's got everything you need. It's ready to go. Purse, travel, you name it. It gives you a chance to try it, fall in love with it like I have. To me, it's the best setting powder there is. So you have one of those too. And next up, if you like this lipstick tone that I'm wearing right now, it's a matte nude, and it's the prettiest nude I've found. Matte lipstick shades can be very hard to wear sometimes because they're drying, but this combination has been absolutely perfect for me, and it's by Huda Beauty, and it's their lip contour set. There are two of them that come in here, Trendsetter and Bombshell. And let me just kind of zoom in on that picture for you. What you can do is you apply, you can wear them separately or together. I wear them together. And if you look here in the back, you do the darker shade essentially on the outer portion of the lip, and you fill it with a lighter shade. And it creates almost an ombre look to your lipstick. It's such a pretty look. It's a wearable nude. It goes with every skin tone, and it's not drying. So I don't find that I need a balm or something to add moisture to my lips. It's just right. That's in here. And last but not least, how on earth could I wrap up a giveaway without Urban Decay Naked Heat palette? But this is so cute. It's a mini palette. They made it a little bit smaller, and I love that because, again, you can pack it in your purse. You can take it with you to travel. It's got all... I knew it. It's got all the colors you need, and it is just the perfect conclusion to this giveaway. This all can be yours for doing what you all have done already to push me past the 500,000 subscriber mark. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, you're still allowed to enter. In the description box, which is underneath the description of this video, if you're watching on your computer, click More. If you're watching on your phone or tablet, click the down arrow. And there's going to be a link that's going to take you to the entry form, which you fill out and hit subscribe if you already have. Like I said, you don't need to hit subscribe again, but fill out the form. It will enter you for the giveaway. I'm going to leave it open for a week, so we will close it out next Wednesday, April 11th at midnight. And on Thursday, sort of around lunchtime, I will post on my social media channels, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, who the winner is of the lucky giveaway. But it was really fun going out and amassing a plethora of product for you. And I love the fact that it covers skin, hair, face, a little bit of everything. So I think it's a very well-rounded kit. And like I said, I think it's very reflective of the content here on my channel. And speaking of, you gave me so many great ideas last week when I asked for suggestions. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about them. I will push forward with great content for you in the spring, and the content is great because you give it to me. So I know it's suiting your needs, and that's what it's all about. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being here, for being a kind soul, for contributing in the comment section, for inspiring and uplifting, for helping your fellow lady by offering ideas as well. The level of gratitude that I have is really immeasurable, and this doesn't even scratch the surface to be able to show you how much I value and appreciate you, but it's just a little something to say thank you so very much from wherever you are. You are global, and by the way, this giveaway is open internationally, so there you go. My fingers are crossed for you. Good luck. Have a great week. I hope you have been healthy. You have not had to put up with any of this crud that's been going around, because it has been nasty. Be bold and be blessed and feel well, and I will see you in a week. Good luck.